สวัสดีค่ะชื่อนางสาวนัสริน หะ ดอมิรหัส 006 สาขาเทคโนโลยีสารสนเทศและ IoT ค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะดิฉันนางสาวชุติมนุษย์สงวนรหัส 020 ค่ะ
What are you going to wear to Sara party tomorrow?
I am not sure. Maybe my new white shirt and blue shirt. What about you?
I think I'll wear my red dress and high heel shoe. I bring a jacket.
Good idea in mind because I wear my white coat shoe and my new blue high heel.
Nice shoe. I wear my diamond necklace or small earring.
Wear the necklace in party. I wear my new one.
Good. I also bring my small bag from my phone and key.
Yes, idea. This party will be fun.
Thank you.